Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the top paying IT jobs currently in India. So did you know that according to the top pages like LinkedIn, Indeed and Naukri, IT jobs in India are expected to reach a record high with salaries going up to 1 crore for experienced professionals. So that is exactly what we are going to discuss in today's video, wherein we are going to understand what are those jobs and what are the skills that are required for myself to get those jobs wherein I can gain such high salaries. So let's understand what are those jobs. So first up on the list, we have data scientists and machine learning engineers. So this is one of the hottest jobs right now in the year 2024 because of how much companies are investing into data-driven solutions. So professionals who are starting their career in the field of data science and analytics or machine learning can demand a salary of 10 to 15 lakhs, and higher paid professionals or senior professionals can expect somewhere between 50 to 60 lakhs. So now let's understand what are the skills that are required for you to get a job in the domain of data science and analytics or machine learning engineering. So first up, we need to have a basic knowledge of the programming languages like Python, SQL or R programming. Apart from that, you would have to have knowledge in mathematical and statistical analysis along with machine learning algorithms. So these are the major skill sets that would be required for yourself. So now let's take a look at the sample job description of a data scientist or a machine learning engineer that you can see on the screen. So this is about the job. They have mentioned the soft skills as well as the technical or hard skills that are required. Here they have mentioned that Python is something that they would be requiring. They would also want feature engineering, feature selection and other kind of skill sets. They have also mentioned that machine learning algorithms is something that they would want for the person who's going to start their career as a data science engineer in this particular company. So you can take a look at this particular job description and understand what are the expectations of the company and tailor your resume accordingly or learn the skills that would be required for you to get a job in this particular domain. The second job that we have on the list is a cybersecurity expert. So with the rise of cyber threats and crimes all around the globe, the need for a cybersecurity expert is something that is indispensable. So with the right certifications like CISSP and CEH, freshers can start a package of around 6 to 10 LPA with experts expecting a salary around 1 to 2 CR. So let's understand what are the skill sets that would be required to be a cybersecurity expert. So you would need tools like firewalls, ethical hacking, and scripting languages like Python, C++ or JavaScript is something that you would require as the major skill sets to land a job in this particular domain. Now let's take a look at sample job description of a cybersecurity expert to understand what are the skill sets that the companies out there are demanding. So if you see here, in the hard skills section, they have mentioned that web application servers, HTML, Windows and Linux platforms, that is operating system, is something that they are expecting, as well as the directories, overall directories is something that they are expecting in this particular role, as well as they are looking for an experience in the domain of cybersecurity. So with these skills as well as soft skills combined, you definitely can land a job in the domain of cybersecurity and work your way up. The next job that we have on the list is a blockchain developer. So blockchain developers are in high demand, especially in industries like finance and gaming. So freshers can expect a salary range of around 8 to 12 LPA, while seasoned experts can expect a salary of more than 45 lakhs per annum. So let's understand what are the skills that are required to be a blockchain developer. So you would need a good expertise in blockchain architecture as well as programming languages like JavaScript or Python or C++ is something that you would have to have great knowledge in order to land a career in this particular industry. Now, let's again take a look at a sample job description of a senior blockchain engineer at this particular company. So let's go to the job description and understand what are the requirements that they have asked for. So as you can see here, they are looking for an expert in programming languages, as well as they want a person who has good knowledge in front-end development technologies such as JavaScript, HTML, CSS, so on and so forth, as well as good, strong foundation of blockchain fundamentals that they have mentioned here. So if you have the right skills that are required for this job, then you can go ahead and apply for jobs similar to this. The fourth job that we have on the list for you is a UI UX designer. So did you know that company values creativity a lot? So if you are someone who has a creative knack, then UI UX designing is something that is perfect for you. So here, freshers can expect a salary range of up to 5 to 8 LPA, whereas seasoned experts can expect around a salary of 35 to 40 LPA in companies like Google, Amazon and Flipkart. So let's now understand what are the skill sets that I need to have or upskill myself on to get a job in the domain of UI UX designing. So you would need to have a good knowledge in front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, alongside the most important part, which is you need to have a good knowledge of tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and other tools like that. Now, let's take a look at the sample job description of a UI UX designer. So here on Glassdoor, we can view a sample job description wherein they are looking for a person who has good knowledge in Figma, Adobe, and other tools like that. They need to have good knowledge in user research, usability testing, and designing user-centered design principles. So this is something that this particular company is expecting. So if you are someone who needs to upskill yourself on these skills and you find designing something that you have a good hold over, then you can go ahead and apply for jobs like this. The last job that we have on the list is artificial intelligence engineers. So AI-driven engineers is something that organizations would be looking out for AI-powered and machine learning-powered businesses. So the skills that you would require in order to land a job in the domain of AI would be deep learning, natural language processing, machine learning algorithms, and a great knowledge of AI-related technologies and algorithms. So the salary range that freshers can expect in this particular profile is between 8 to 12 LPA, whereas seasoned and experienced professionals in the domain of AI can expect a salary of more than 1 crore per year. So the top recruiters that are hiring in this particular domain are Google, NVIDIA, and other such companies. Let's take a sample job description of an AI engineer on the profile of LinkedIn. So here you can see the key responsibilities that they have listed as well as the required skills and qualifications that they are looking out for. So they are looking for a seasoned and an experienced professional with 3 to 9 years of experience in the domain of artificial intelligence, machine learning or related field. They are looking for a person who has good knowledge in programming languages like Python, Java or C++. Cloud technologies is an added advantage, as well as data structure and algorithm and optimization techniques is something that you need to have a good knowledge in. So if you are someone who wants to get into the domain of artificial intelligence because that is what the future lies in, then go ahead and explore yourself in these skill sets and upskill yourself for the same. So with that, we come to the end of today's video wherein we have discussed about the top 5 high-paying IT jobs in India. So if you're looking for jobs in the domain of full stack development, data science analytics, or designing, or blockchain, or cybersecurity, you have got a job in every domain with the right skills and certifications that are required. So go ahead and gain the skills and certifications that would be required for you to land a job in this career, and all the best for the same. So if you found the video to be helpful, please hit the like button and comment down your views below and subscribe to our channel for more such videos in the future.